I'm shaking.
In September of 2009, my brother and I had a mission to restore our father's 1969 Norton Commando. In the early 70s, my uncle owed my dad some money. He never paid him, so my dad took his Norton instead. He rode the bike up until the early 90s, and then somewhere around 1993, it died. Up until now, that thing sat in the basement, in pieces, and it was about time that we had it restored. One problem, I have no idea how to restore motorcycles, and my brother, he's way too busy to restore a motorcycle. So we called these guys, the Classic Bike Experience. They're way up there, in Essex, Vermont, and that's all they do. They restore old British motorcycles. So all we had to do was remove the bike from the basement without my dad ever knowing it was missing. So, my brother stole it. He met me on the side of the highway, and I took it up to Vermont.
I hit the record button by accident. Classic. Me and my brother are gonna meet up in Greenfield on Route 2. It's gonna be amazing.
Okay, perfect. Will do. All right, Bob. Thanks. Bye.
What do you say?
Park it at his house.
So I'll follow you?
Yep.
All right.
Hi.
Now let me back up a sec. It's now 4 months since we dropped off the bike. It's about a week before Christmas, and the bike's ready. It wasn't supposed to be ready this quickly, but the guys at CBE, specifically Joel, busted his ass all fall to get it ready before Christmas. So now we're on our way up to Vermont to pick up the bike.
Yeah. All your whole body weight. Jay's gonna start the Norton now. It's easy. All right, we got snacks, Jay.
I'm digging deep. I ripped the bag though.
Okay, so we just got the motorcycle. It's in the back of the pickup truck. Huge success out there at Classic Bike Experience. Jack Manning and Big Nick were there helping us out. The Norton 69 Commando. It's looking mint. She rolled off once, kind of scraped for about half a mile on the side of the highway, but we got her back in there.
Not sparks.
Took her down with a cloth real deep. So it's not at the level we want right now, but it's a little gritty. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. We got a big nor'easter coming. The next clip might be us in a hotel with a tarp over the back of the 69er. I think it's snowing out. The weatherman was right. It's snowing a lot. He's taking the trailer off. I got the Norton in the back. Great conditions for the 69. The thing loves the snow. I don't know where we're stuffing it. Maybe we're gonna tarp it. Okay, we're just strapping the tarp on her. Check it. Yes. It looks like a torture chamber in there.
I'm just gonna take a little, get these things off the ground.
Okay, we're in Bill D's driveway for the big stash away drop off. This big stash in the garage. Still trying to figure out the best way to present the bike. But right now it's gonna sit here for about four days.
That's Bill D. He's the guy who actually helped steal the bike from my parents' basement in the first place. So naturally, he was down to stash the bike in his garage for a week before we surprised my dad. That was another problem. How do we give it to him? I wanted to ride it up the driveway and rev the engine until he came out. But how do you disappear on Christmas Eve?
You have the step, I don't. There it goes.
There it is.
Walmart. My mom needed to pick up a present she ordered at Walmart. So, my brother and I volunteered to go. But secretly, we went to Bill D's. To the Batcave. My brother returned without me and lied to my parents. He told them that I met a friend at Walmart and that I was going to catch a ride home with him. And to add to that surprise, we wanted to show my dad the bike before we gave it to him. That's where the poster comes in.
You want to try? You want to try? Come on. It feels good. That's nice.
Yes, it is.
I created a replica of an old Norton ad. And instead of the classic Norton girl, I photoshopped an old picture of my mom sitting side saddle on a 750 Commando. Except it wasn't a stock photo of that bike. It was a photo of his bike, his restored bike, that I took a week earlier in Vermont. The copy read, "Dad, this is your bike. We stole it right from under you and drove it to Vermont, where we had it fully restored. We both felt it was about time she was resurrected from the basement. Turns out it's a 1969 Norton Commando 750. She certainly is sweet looking. And so is Mom. Enjoy your new bike, Dad."
The button behind, just like mine.
And then that
Yep.
red is gone. Then
Okay.
you should be fine.
Hot. Yeah? You take the balaclava off? Wait till the wind starts. You'll get warm. Yeah. I mean, you'll be needing it. Woo! Ready for this? Yup. Hopefully I got my story straight. All right, so I'm gonna call you on the top. Yup. That's the deal. All right, Superman.
Okay, if I don't get you, I call the house. I'll let it ring once.
Good luck. Let's see. Just... I know what it is.
What is it?
I gotta know what it is.
What is it?
I'm gonna say it's the Three Musketeers.
The Three Musketeers.
Oh, from
Why, you can't find
Dos No,
No?
the Dos Estos. There's two pictures of you at the. What?
Look at that.
Oh no! Oh my
Yeah.
God!
My hands are dirty. I don't want to touch it.
Oh my God! How did they get that picture? It keeps coming back to haunt me.
This is.
Oh
What was
my
that from?
God, that was the prom with Jimmy McAtee.
Yeah, I'm not even
Oh.
me.
Never forget that man.
Oh, yeah?
My Norton? That's that picture of my Norton?
How'd you find
Could
a
be.
replica of the Norton? That looks great.
I mean, our Norton could look just like that.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh.
Well, they probably have these in magazines and stuff, but they superimposed me on it. We gotta get this framed.
You're throwing away frames.
It's so cute.
That's gorgeous.
Oh, I wouldn't
Who
put this
did
in
that?
that frame.
Jeff
That
did
is
it.
so
Jeff, you
neat.
know, Wished he could be here, but
Let's read it. We're looking at the picture.
yeah. Read just the bottom
There
part.
are words never found. Oh, that's about the Norton.
Yeah.
Command reliability, no real
Yeah,
rubbish
yeah,
except
yeah.
less.
We still have
Dad, this is your bike. We stole it. Dad, this is your bike. We stole it right from
Vermont,
after
you drove to
to
Vermont. Yeah, we're fully restored.
It fully restored. I felt like it was about it. Rich, they fully restored this bike. Did you read this? They
Look at the
they
key.
fully restored the bike. It's the
Listen
it's
to
the
your
new
ears.
bike.
Listen. Are you
Ah, this is the best.
Are you kidding me?
No, no. You can thank the little brother for this one.
I thought this was a joke.
And mom thought she was in the loop. Look at mom.
Never in the loop.
Ah.
Never in the
Well, you
loop.
You gotta be kidding.
better go rescue Jeff because he's gonna freeze his ass up.
You got him crying. That's the first since he got married and since he was born. Oh God. Oh.
Don't shake it. You gotta be kidding me.
Hey, Chris, Pop.
You gotta be kidding me.
Why don't you sit on it? Got it?
Bob know about this?
Nope. Del Sesto does. We just spent some time with him this week.
Really? Oh my God.
Kidding.
It's over! Oh, the lies! Oh, the lies!
I didn't even know I was missing.
Hi, Mom. It's got pegs in the back, Mom.
Tommy and Bob are gonna go nuts.
The planning, the work these two put into it, the
I'm speechless.
scheming. You didn't. I think Jason got
I'm
him
gonna
crying.
cry.
Jason got him. Oh, look at Dad. Look at Dad.
This is over the top, guys.
We make sure Mom was up to date on CPR and everything because we weren't sure how.
Yeah, we don't want you to get a heart attack.
Yeah,
Dad.
don't flip out. Don't flip out.
I never thought I'd see this thing back
Oh, thanks.
in my lifetime. I says to Jason, I said, look at this picture. I says, my Norton could look like this if we did it work.
It was the best, Jeff. It's like, we could make this happen. I'm like,
Come on, dude.
here's the keys. I can't take it anymore.
Norton rules.